Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Peek. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the best 3D modelling and architectural laptops in 2022. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notifications to stay updated with the latest technology videos out there. 1. Acer Predator Helios 300. The brand new Acer laptop is a good option for architects. You can find it in its 15.6-inch or 17.3-inch screen, according to your necessities. The laptop was constructed in modern black aluminum. The weight of the laptop is 5.5 pounds and it measures 0.9 by 14.3 by 10 inches. At the same time, the machine has an RGB lighted keyboard with different colours and patterns. The webcam isn't the best. It has a 720p webcam that is a little blurry. This item comes with Dropbox, ExpressVPN and Planet 9 already installed along with Windows 11. Equally, the laptop includes an RTX 3060 GPU, a large number of ports and an Intel Core i7 processor. The price of this item starts at $1,199 on Amazon in its 2022 version. Despite the fact that this is a gaming laptop, it remains an affordable and reasonable option for architecture rendering. 2. Dell Inspiron 17700. The touchscreen designed by Dell is always a good quality choice, and the Inspiron 17 is not the exception. It could be very useful for architects to build renders. Besides, it's a two-in-one laptop, so you can use it as a tablet or as a computer itself. The problem? It's really heavy to be a laptop. It weighs 6 pounds. The machine comes with a 17.3-inch screen. Moreover, the laptop has an Intel Core i7 processor and a 1TB hard drive. It measures 0.85 by 16.2 by 10.8 inches. The speakers are great. It has a considerable variety of USB ports, including an HDMI. In addition, the laptop has Amazon Alexa pre-installed to replace the Windows Cortana assistant. The current price of this two-in-one laptop on Amazon is $1,599. The brand claims that this model is an alternative to an iPad, but the truth is that it's too heavy to accomplish that function, and it's hardly usable as a tablet due to its size and weight. 3. MSI GL65. Intel Core i5 processor, 8GB of RAM and 512GB of storage are some of the best features this laptop includes, and what makes it a nice option for modelling and architecture. It's fast, easy to handle and has a lot of functionalities. In addition, it has a 15.6-inch screen with a 60Hz refresh rate. If we talk about its graphics card, it comes with a decent NVIDIA GeForce RTX 1650. It weighs 4.6 pounds and its measurements 1.8 by 14.08 by 19.76 inches. It has a red lighted keyboard, ideal for gaming, as this laptop was designed for that matter. But that doesn't mean it can't be used for architectural projects. The touchpad is big enough to make renders comfortably, but if you don't find it easy to use, you can plug in your mouse. You can get this laptop for just $1,469 on Amazon right now. 4. Asus ROG Strix. We are in front of a mid-range gaming laptop. If you can notice, most of the devices included in this videos are created for gamers because they are fast machines that easily adapt to the architect's necessities. The modelling laptop niche is very specific, and honestly, I don't know a single laptop that is specifically for you guys. The laptop has a 15.6-inch 300Hz QHD screen. The star feature of this laptop is its per-key RGB keyboard, which is very comfortable and easy to type with. The processor is a Ryzen AMD 9-6900HX, which makes this laptop extremely fast and in consequence ideal for architects. With this machine, you will get 2 USB Type-C ports along with an HDMI port too. It also supports Bluetooth 5.2 and Wi-Fi 6E. You can get this laptop right now on Amazon for as low as $1,899 at its lowest price. 5. Razer Blade 15. To my liking, the price of this laptop is high, but still affordable due to the technical features it offers. You can get a 2.3Hz Intel Core i7 processor, a NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 GPU, and 1TB SSD card, just to name some items. Furthermore, it has a 15.6-inch QHD display and a 1080p webcam. It weighs 4.39 pounds and measures 13.98 by 9.25 by 0.62 inches. It has 3 USB 3.2 ports along with 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports. The battery life of the laptop is one of the biggest disadvantages this laptop has, and that's why you should consider this item a key factor while making a decision. You can buy this laptop for $2,999 on Amazon. It's quite expensive, but still a good option for modelling and architecture due to its speed. 6. MSI GT63 Titan 052. Let's start with the disadvantages. I personally don't like too much the external design of the laptop, and the touchpad isn't big enough. Now, if you are looking for a high-speed laptop, you better fasten your seatbelt because this is like a Ferrari. A NVIDIA GeForce RTX 1080 in synergy with an Intel Core i7 processor makes this laptop extremely fast. Additionally, it comes with 32GB of RAM, so you have the best user experience possible. The machine has a 15.6-inch QHD display and 1TB of storage. It measures 15.3 by 10.5 by 1.6 inches and it weighs 6.7 pounds. As I already said, the touchpad isn't the best, but you can plug in a mouse and there you go. You have one of the best laptops for modelling and architecture around. This laptop's price on Amazon is currently $2,499, and I find it very worth it due to its technical features. 7. Lenovo Legion 5. To conclude, this laptop model includes an AMD Ryzen 7 5800H processor, 16GB of RAM, and 512GB of storage. It weighs 5.2 pounds and measures 363 by 261 by 25.8 millimeters. It has a 15.6-inch screen and an AMD Radeon RX 6600 GPU. Also, it has one HDMI port and 4 USB Type-C ports. The technical features of this laptop are excellent for architect tasks because it's fast and affordable. The price of this machine on Amazon is $999. Its price, in partnership with its technical characteristics, makes this product the best on this list. That's a wrap for the best 3D modelling and architecture laptops in 2022. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notifications to stay updated with the latest technology videos out there. If you love this video, I highly recommend you to watch this video here on the top left about the best budget drones for beginners. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.